Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hello if you're new. So for today's video I thought I would film my everyday makeup tutorial because I've had a few questions on it over on my Instagram and I'm really just loving the products that I'm using at the moment. They're really great for summer. They make your skin look really nice and glowy and bronzed and fresh and healthy, and yeah, just really wanted to share them with you. So I'm also going to give you a little bit of a life update in this video because I feel like I haven't done that in a while and a few things have gone on. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I do my face. So I always start off by using the By Terry Cellulose Brightening CC Serum, and this is in the shade Sunny Flash. This is just like a brightening product. It's kind of like a serum, primer kind of thing, but it also has skincare in there, so it's really great and it just makes your skin look really nice and glowy and bronzed. And I always use this even if I don't use foundation or even if I'm not wearing makeup at all, just because it makes your skin so glowy and even, and my face is always a lot paler than my body, so it kind of evens that out a little bit too. And then afterwards I'll use one of two bases for the daytime, either the YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Foundation, Glow Foundation, or the Barley Body BB Cream. This is in the shade Tan and this is in the shade BD50. This is slightly too light for me at the moment because I am quite tanned. I got quite a good tan in the sun. But yeah, so I think I'm going to be using this one today, but this one is a beautiful option. So yeah, my filming background's probably a bit different to what you're used to because I'm currently living at my parents'. I moved out of my flat about 2 weeks ago now and I'm currently in the process of looking for another one, but I just didn't find one in time, and I'm moving in with my friend Amber and we just wanted to spend a bit longer looking for something perfect. So yeah, I'm currently at my parents' house, all my stuff's in storage and we're looking for a new place, which is exciting. So this is the BB cream all blended in, just super nice and natural, really glowy, but just really evens out the skin. That's all I really want in the summer. I don't want like a heavy foundation, so this is perfect. And then for concealer, I've switched from my NARS concealer, which is in the pot, to this Laura Mercier concealer. This is their Flawless Fusion concealer, which I think is quite new, but I went in Space & K and they told me that it was amazing, so I picked it up and yeah, it's so good. So yeah, you really do need this if you're looking for like a lightweight but good coverage concealer. I have the shade 3W and it is quite light, but I like to use it mostly under my eyes. So yeah, I don't know any other updates. I'm going to SW4 Festival in August if any of you guys are going. I went for a day last year and it was really great, so yeah, I'm really excited to go for the whole weekend this year. So that's the concealer, just super nice and bright but really good coverage too. And then to add a bit of warmth back into my skin, I'm going to be using this product here, which is Open. This is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate, which I love. Mine is just like so gross at the moment. But yeah, this is a really great product because it's a cream, so it looks really natural, but it's just really great to bronze up the face. You can contour with it. I do use this brush to slightly contour, but I more so bronze. And yeah, this is just a really nice warm colour. I've got Intensity 1, I believe. Oh, and another big thing, by the time this video is uploaded, we will have hit 50,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I'm so happy. Thank you all so much for subscribing. I've been on YouTube for a really long time now, so it has been a long time coming, but I don't know, it's just such a good big milestone and I'm so happy. Now that I've hit 50k, I'm going to try and be more consistent because I know I'm not the most consistent uploader, but I have got a few videos filmed and in the pipeline, so yeah, some good content coming your way. So I bring this like on my forehead as well and on my nose and a tiny bit on my jaw. So yeah, I kind of half contour, half bronze. I just love this product. And then for bronzer, because I do like to set this product because it is quite dewy, I either use the Guerlain Terracotta Light Bronzer in Deep Golden, which is number 4, and this is just a really nice kind of peachy bronzy bronzer. It's really lightweight and yeah, it's quite subtle, but it's really nice in the daytime. Or if I want a more heavy duty bronze, then I will go for the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in, oh my gosh, Ipanema Sun. And this one is more of like a deep bronze, so I tend to use this more so at night, but I do use it in the day as well if I want a really nice bronze look. But I think today I'm going to go for the Guerlain. And brush wise, I use this brush, which oh my god, I absolutely love. This is the Hourglass, I don't even know, brush. It came out quite recently. It's super pricey, but it's like the perfect brush because you can use it for contouring, bronzer, highlighter, powder, like literally everything. If I have this and an eyebrow brush and an eyeshadow brush, I can't even talk, then I'm literally set. So that's that. So I'm going to be filming a lookbook, but I wanted to know if there's any kind of particular pieces you want me to style. I don't know, like camis or, I don't know, midi skirts. I don't really wear those, but you know what I mean. If there's any specific pieces you want me to style in this lookbook, then let me know, because I will try and do so. Or if you want to see a particular like styling video on how to style a particular item, then I'll be sure to do that as well. Just leave me comments below with some video ideas on styling, because I've got loads of haul ideas of stores I want to do hauls from, but styling, not so sure. So next up for brows, and I usually use the Anastasia Dip Brow, but I somehow lost that. I have no idea how. I packed up my whole flat, still could not find it, so I've been using this, which is the MAC eyeshadow in Espresso, which I luckily found in my drawer, and it's actually a really nice colour. So yeah, I'm really happy using this, and it's quite nice to use a powder for a change instead of a gel product. So yeah, my brows take ages, so probably speed this up or cut it out. So that's one brow done. I just really like the difference the definition makes to my face. I don't know, not everyone's in strawn on brows, but I love them. So that's brows all done, and then I just set them with my Glossier Boy Brow, but it's basically empty, so I really need to order another one. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to get some product out, but yeah, I feel like this runs out really quickly. I don't know about you guys, maybe I just use way too much. And then next for eyeshadow in the daytime, I'm super simple, so I just take my Becca bronzer and I just run a little bit through the crease. I just like the warm tones of bronzer. I've done this for years and I think it just makes my eyes look quite nice without too much effort. So yeah, a little bit in the crease. So that's it, just really super subtle, just gives a little bit more definition. I find it ties in the bronzer on my cheeks really well too. And then for mascara, I use the NARS Audacious mascara. This is just a mini sample, but for some reason I have quite a few of these, so I've just been using these, but when they run out, I'm definitely going to buy the full size because I love this mascara. So yeah, this is literally one coat. I find it gives really great length, really great volume, and it's just so quick and easy to apply. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. And the brush is really nice as well. And then I do put a tiny bit on the bottom, but more so just to try and lengthen them. I don't like them to be too clumpy, so I use a really, really light hand. And then moving on to cheeks, I don't tend to use blush, but if I do, then I'll use this, which is the Glossier Cloud Paint. And this is in the shade Beam, which I do really like. I will use it today just to show you because it's a really, really nice peachy colour, but it's like a whitish peach, if you know what I mean. Like it's got a bit of white in there so that it looks really brightening. So yeah, I just dab literally the tiniest bit on my cheeks and then blend it back. I really don't like a heavy blush, and I like this because where it is peachy, it ties in with the bronzer really nicely. So yeah, there's literally the tiniest amount. You can barely see it, but if I wanted to apply more, then it would be a lot more peachy. And then for highlight, it's a bit of a mixture. I love highlight, so I do switch up a lot. I'll either use this, which is the NARS Multiple in South Beach, which is like a really nice bronzy colour. Sometimes I'll use this as a base, or I will use the highlight in this palette, and then I go in with this powder highlighter. So I think today I'm going to use this one just because it's a little bit lighter. And then I also bring it down my nose a bit. I keep it low and above my eyebrow. So that's that, and I could leave it like that, but I just like to set it with a little bit of this powder highlighter because one, it's beautiful, and two, it just means that the glow lasts longer. So yeah, this is the Bronze Goddess highlighter in Heat Wave, and I think Estee Lauder bring one of these out every year. I have one from a few years ago which is in a bit of different packaging, but it's pretty much the same powder, but I had to buy this anyway just because I never want to run out. And I just use the same hourglass brush and voila. And then for lips, it honestly varies so much. Sometimes I'll just apply this, which is the Dior Lip Glow. I have this in 2 colours. I have it in the original and also a peachy colour, and this is just really nice if I want like a lip balmy look, or if I do use lipstick then I'll usually go in with this, which is the MAC Lip Tensity Lip Pencil in Toast and Butter, which is a really nice nude with like a warm undertone. And then for lipstick, I'll go for this, which is the Chanel Rouge Coco and Adrienne, which is a really nice nude. Or, third option, I'll go for the Glossier Gloss, which is just so beautiful and plumping. So today, or other lip line option, I'll go for one of the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheats. This one's in Iconic Nude. I also have Pillow Talk. So yeah, I love lipstick. I normally go for nude or something just really glossy. So yeah, today I think I'm feeling actually no liner, so I think I'm just going to go for this, which is the Chanel lipstick. And I'm going to dab this on, just to make my lips a bit more nude. And then I'm feeling the gloss, so I think I'm going to put the Glossier gloss over the top. And then just going to dab the lipstick so it's really subtle. And that is the finished look. So yeah, super quick and easy, super nice and bronze, using some really amazing products. I absolutely love all of these products. I don't think I'll be changing my makeup up at all this summer. I think I'll probably change it up a bit in the winter, just for some, well, I still love a glow and I still love a bronze, but I'll probably use more of a foundation and I don't know, maybe a bit more eyeshadow and things in the winter. But yeah, for now, I am loving this look. So everything will be linked in the description box below, all of the products, and I'll try and link my brushes if I can remember them, and I'll also link all of my social media and everything like that. But if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and like I said, please leave me any video ideas. I mean, they don't just have to be styling videos. If you want anything else, then sure, leave that too, but I have had loads of comments for a apartment tour, but like I said, I'm in between apartments at the moment, so when I move in a few weeks time, I'll be sure to film maybe some moving vlogs or an empty flat tour, and then also an apartment tour once it's all done. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please do make sure to subscribe to see more of my videos and like this if you enjoy my tutorials. I don't really do much makeup anymore, but I do really enjoy it, so let me know if there's any other makeup looks or anything you'd like to see as well. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye!